Why do we need to learn programming language? Let's take an example of a screen, a normal screen. Maybe your computer's screen or your tablet screen or your TV screen, or let it be your mobile screen. Let's say we want to display something or write a name or maybe a text. So, what language was that text in? Think about it. Right, it's in English. We humans speak different languages. Some of us even speak more than one or two. But computers don't. No matter what computer device it is, they all speak just one language. The language of binary. So the same screen in binary would be something just like this. Binary is a set of ones and zeros. It's longer, complicated, and time consuming to understand and work with. So do we really need to learn binary in order to work with computers? Let's take an example of Python or Android development or iOS development, Java, JavaScript, C++, or any of web development language or the programming one. Programming languages play a translation role. They help humans understand computers. Similar to a tour guide, you would need to buy an ice cream in a foreign country. You type something. Programming language interprets it for computers and vice versa. So that sums up everything. Ta-da! I hope this video helped you understand the main purpose of programming languages. Thank you and goodbye.